Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's show, celebrating the 16th anniversary of our sponsor XP Pen, we will be reviewing the Deco Fun. Our friend Paul Pereda will be making this painting to test the capabilities of the tablet. But first, I wanted to remind you, please visit their webpage, as they sometimes have discounts and special offers on their products. Also, remember that on this same channel, there are the reviews of its models, Deco Pro and Deco Mini. Let's start with the unboxing. In this case, we're talking about a fairly small tablet, as you can see by the proportions of the box compared to my hands. As soon as you open the box, you find the tablet and the typical warranty documents, the quick installation and use guide, as well as a note thanking you for the support. If you have never owned a tablet, this little book will help you with everything you need to know. The pencil is quite simple and light, no surprise there. The piece that helps you remove the tips when you want to change them, a bag with the spare tips, and the cable to connect it to the computer. Finally, we have the tablet, which I must say, I really like the color, and I think it's cool that it comes in different colors, which it gives it a more personal flavor. It also has that quite reflective finish that I find very nice. Of the things that we see just out of the box, the only thing that I don't like very much is the fact that the tips come in an envelope like that. You have to be very careful where they are stored, and preferably keep them together with the ring to remove the tips. In the configuration, there is nothing that stands out too much. It has quite modest options, everything very standard. And of course, it does not bring any buttons. Personally, I do not miss them at all, and it seems to me that my friend Paul did not miss them during the review. When you use a laptop or any keyboard, the truth is that they are not necessary. I was really impressed to see how Paul gave life to this dinosaur ridden by a mouse. He used the Deco Fun as if he had always had it. If he had to adapt to its use, the truth was that it was not noticeable. I really like the way he made the lines during the sketching stage. During his visit for this review, I asked him questions about how the tablet works, and he told me that it was quite intuitive and gave a very good response to the strokes. He also mentioned that it was about the same size as the one he had at home, so the transition was pretty quick. He also mentioned that it had a very good quality in the strokes and that his workflow was practically unaffected using the tablet. I really like to see how his work process is quite straightforward: a sketch, line art, fill and volume, and then lights and shadows. I am going to leave you with my friend Paul so that he can explain to you personally with his own voice how was the experience with his tablet and what are his strongest features.
Hi guys, how are you? Thank you Jesus for the opportunity to make this review of the XP Pen Deco Fun. I personally work with a small tablet, so I did not feel that it was super big difference when I was working. It is comfortable and responds quite well. Something that happened to me with this tablet is when I was installing it and testing it out, I need to accommodate a little bit the pressure. These tablets normally have a really good level of pressure sensitivity, but at the beginning I had to adjust a little bit the pressure. The Deco Fun doesn't have command buttons, but personally I don't use them. I go directly to Photoshop shortcuts, so I didn't bother me at all. Call me dinosaur, but I keep my keyboard shortcuts close. Something that I have always found great about this tablet is how small it is and how easy it is to transport. In this case, I think the Deco Fun is the pinnacle of portable tablets, because they make very little space to carry it, and remember that they can be connected to your Android device, so you can carry it with your backpack or your bag or wherever you go, whatever you need, because it's very easy to transport, easy to install. Something that you need to be aware also on this tablet is the weight of the stylus, the pencil, because it's very light. I can bet it is like it has no weight at all. And I bet that some people that use more expensive or elaborate tablets, they may suffer a little bit with the travel of the pencil, because it's very light and is going to like making crazy lines at the beginning. But then again, I think it's a good counterpart, because it's very light and is not going to weigh a lot when you're carrying around, since that's the objective of this device. In my experience, it was the same, because I have a similar model and the pencil is very light too, so I had no problem at all on this one. Something that you should be taking into account is the trait that distinguishes this tablet, and is the size. It is small for its cost and design purpose, so if you are looking for a tablet to get started in digital art, or you want to have something easy to transport, think no more, because the XP Pen Deco Fun is basically your tablet. In conclusion, the Deco Fun delivers what it promised: a tablet portable, easy to install, and reliable. Versatile to use on your computer or mobile phone, and apparently is quite sturdy too. Alright Jesus, thank you very much for inviting me to review, and you guys, thank you very much for your time. We love you a lot, and be safe. See you later.
This is the final result. I really hope you liked it. Thank you, Paul, for being part of this review for our sponsor XP Pen. I remind everyone how I said at the beginning, please visit their website, since sometimes they have discounts and offers on their products. All the links are in the description. Also, remember that this same channel has reviews on its other models, Deco Pro and Deco Mini. Please take a look when you finish watching this. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.